This is Mike Hornick for the Packer in Salinas, California. I'm at Grower Street Cooling, where today more than 2,000 third-grade students came out for the Farm Day experience, funded by nonprofit Monterey County Agricultural Education. Growers, seed companies, and processors were all on hand for presentations as the students learned more about where their food comes from. Fresh Express was here, and Zazaden, and there were presentations on Choose My Plate from Lindsay Coate of Ag Against Hunger, among others. This is Mike Hornick for the Packer. Check us out on Facebook.